Wisdom by Just Liam P. Vebora, elementary graduate with high honors.
Good afternoon, honored guests, beloved teachers, supportive parents, and fellow graduates. We did it! 6 years ago, I walked into the school with a big backpack and an even bigger fear. Today, I stand here with you, ready to live as young adults, prepared to take on the next big adventure. When I first entered Green Valley Academy as a kindergartner, I never imagined that one day I would stand here speaking before all of you. My very first teacher, Miss Alma Aybasaysay, welcomed me with patience and kindness. And from that moment, this school became my second home. Step by step, year after year, I grew not only in knowledge, but also in confidence, surrounded by teachers who believed in me and classmates who became my friends. Today, I realize that every challenge, every lesson, and that every sacrifice has led me to this very moment. First of all, I thank God for giving me the strength to reach this day. Without His guidance, I would not be here standing with confidence and hope. To my family, to whom I owe everything, my father, who works tirelessly as a jeepney driver, and my mother, who is not only a full-time and hands-on housewife, but is also bravely pursuing her college education, you are my greatest inspiration. Despite the hardships and the struggles to pay for my tuition fees, you never gave up on me. You showed me that true love is sacrifice and that true strength is perseverance. This achievement is not mine alone. It is yours as well. To my younger brother, Enzo, you are one of the reasons to keep me going because I want to be a good example for you. To my teachers, especially my advisor, Ma'am Lani D. Iligan, thank you for your patience, wisdom, and dedication. You did not just teach us lessons from books, but you taught us values that will guide us for life. Discipline, respect, and courage. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And to my classmates and friends, thank you for the laughter, for the support, and for the memories we shared. Together, we grew not only in knowledge, but also in character. This diploma is more than just a certificate. It is a symbol of hope, of dreams, and of the first step toward a brighter future. It reminds us that success is not measured by wealth or status, but by the people who stand with us and the values we carry forward. Today, I stand not only as a graduating student, but as living proof that with faith, hard work, and the love of family, nothing is impossible. Maraming salamat po, and may we all continue to shine as we step into the future.
Thank you, Joss Liam, for that mind-enlightening message.